DJI recently launched the DJI Flip drone on 14th January 2025, following a teaser with the phrase "Open New Possibilities" and a graphic depicting 4 animated discs folding away and opening up. However, another intriguing rumor suggests that DJI might also be planning to launch the DJI Neo 2. Let's explore these rumors, compare the potential Neo 2 with the current DJI Neo, and determine whether it's worth waiting for the new model. The news around the DJI Neo 2 comes from a highly reliable source in the drone community, Jasper Ellens, also known as X27. Jasper is renowned for his accurate leaks and predictions about DJI products. His track record includes precise information on the DJI Air 3S, DJI Neo, and Goggles N3, among others. In a recent post, Jasper shared what appears to be images of the DJI Flip and added a tantalizing detail: DJI Neo 2 is coming late 2025. Given his credibility, this statement has generated significant interest and speculation about the Neo 2. Before we get into the potential of the Neo 2, let's take a closer look at what the current DJI Neo offers. The DJI Neo is designed to be a perfect blend of beginner-friendly operation and professional-quality features. Weighing only 4.8 ounces, this palm-sized drone is incredibly lightweight and portable, making it an excellent alternative to a selfie stick or tripod. Despite its small size, the Neo is packed with advanced technology. It features a one-axis camera with a 1:2 sensor capable of capturing 4K 30 resolution video. Users can control the Neo using the DJI Fly app on their phone or through voice commands, offering a versatile and user-friendly experience. One of the standout features of the DJI Neo is its AI-based subject tracking. This feature allows the drone to follow a selected subject and keep it in frame, making it feel like you have your own personal photographer in your backpack. The Neo offers 2 tracking modes: Smart Tracking and Direction Track. Smart Tracking follows the subject, while Direction Track flies backward, keeping the subject in frame as it moves towards the drone. Another impressive feature is the stabilization technology. The Neo uses rock-steady and horizon balancing to reduce image shake and correct horizon tilt within plus 45 degrees, ensuring smooth and stable footage. The DJI Neo also includes 6 QuickShot modes, which are pre-programmed flight paths that make capturing dynamic and professional-looking aerial videos easy. These modes include Droney, Circle, Rocket, Spotlight, Helix, and Boomerang, each offering a unique shooting style. For vloggers, the Neo provides clear audio capabilities. Users can narrate their videos through the DJI Fly app using the microphone built into their phone. The app automatically eliminates propeller noise and merges the audio with the video footage, making it an essential feature for creating high-quality vlogs. In terms of control, the Neo can be piloted using a mobile device with the DJI Fly app or through voice commands. Saying "Hey Fly" wakes the Neo and enables control via spoken flight commands. The drone connects to the phone over Wi-Fi, with a control range of up to 164 feet. For those who prefer traditional piloting or require additional range, optional dedicated remotes are available, including the DJI RC-N3, RC Motion 3, and FPV Remote Controller 3. The Neo also includes several safety features to ensure enjoyable and productive flights. It comes with propeller guards that provide full coverage around the spinning blades without impacting flight performance. The drone is engineered to withstand level 4 wind resistance, helping to record shake-free content. An automatic return to home feature ensures the Neo safely returns to its takeoff point if needed. The DJI Neo offers steady hovering with infrared and a monocular vision positioning system, supporting DJI goggles for an FPV experience. It can capture 12-megapixel still images and provides 22 GB of internal storage, allowing for up to 40 minutes of 4K 30 video or 55 minutes of 1080p 60 video. The drone has a flight time of up to 18 minutes and can be charged via an optional USB-C cable and adapter. Now that we've reviewed the current DJI Neo's capabilities, let's consider whether it makes sense to wait for the DJI Neo 2. The rumor about the Neo 2 is certainly credible, given the source, but there are several factors to consider before deciding to hold out for the new model. Firstly, the current DJI Neo is already a powerful and feature-rich drone. It offers advanced technology, including AI-based subject tracking, stabilization, and QuickShot modes, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. Given that the Neo was launched only a few months ago, it represents a significant leap forward in terms of value and tech. Waiting until the end of the year for the Neo 2 might not be practical for many users, especially when the current Neo already provides excellent performance and value. Additionally, there's no concrete information about what upgrades the Neo 2 might bring. While it's exciting to speculate about potential new features, there's always a chance that the Neo 2 will only offer incremental improvements rather than a revolutionary upgrade. On the other hand, there are some potential benefits to waiting for the DJI Neo 2. If DJI follows its tradition of significant updates, the Neo 2 could bring exciting new features and improvements. For tech enthusiasts who always want the latest and greatest, waiting for the Neo 2 might be worthwhile. Additionally, if DJI adopts an annual product cycle similar to smartphones, waiting for the newest model could become the new norm. However, it's essential to remember that the best drone is the one you have with you. If the current DJI Neo meets your needs and offers the features you're looking for, there might not be a compelling reason to wait for the Neo 2. In conclusion, while the DJI Neo 2 certainly sounds like an exciting update, the current DJI Neo is already a powerhouse packed with features that cater to both beginners and professionals alike. Waiting for an entire year for the Neo 2 might not be necessary, especially when the current Neo offers excellent value and advanced technology. Plus, with the imminent launch of the DJI Flip, there's plenty to be excited about in the world of drones. The DJI Neo provides a versatile, user-friendly, and feature-rich experience, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to explore aerial photography and videography.